Homicides in the U.S. have surged nearly 50% higher than pre-pandemic levels, according to a White House official. Now, local authorities say this is due to a lack of resources, namely funding for facilities and mental health programs. Our Shondell Moniz reached out to public service organizations to hear what they need in order to help their communities heal from gun violence.
Put your hands up!
Gun violence is a symptom of a much larger issue. It's a community's cry for help.
The most, I'd say the common denominator that I'm seeing with gun violence and the threat of gun violence is going to be a mental health issue.
Crystal Mayer with the East Texas Crisis Center gets to the root of why people use guns to commit violent crimes.
We're struggling with facilities to put somebody. There are people that are willing to go to a facility for a period of time, but there's just nowhere to take them. And so power and control takes over and they just kind of become a monster.
She says to cut down on these crimes, she would appreciate more mental health services, more facilities, more funding. Law enforcement is asking for the same thing.
The only thing really and truly that the federal government can help us is with funding, because everything that affects safety of our citizens and fixing the problem of violent crime is done at the local level.
Various community services want to feel supported. They want the verbal and financial support needed to serve their communities. Biden's plan includes $350 billion to address gun violence on a local level, and authorities hope this is enough.
Because the system is starting to break down.
As mental health problems increase, we're going to see that increase.
We've got you covered, East Texas. Shondell Moniz, CBS 19.
President Biden's gun control plan also includes other measures, such as investing in community-based intervention programs and preventing reoffenders by helping them assimilate back into society after leaving prison.